No, you got to get it closer. Hey, get it closer. Hey. Make me get it, huh? All right, I'll get it.
Hi, there you are, Brad. Good to see you back in the backyard again.
Yeah.
I got yourself a little gift for you.
Okay.
And it's something I want to see just you do what you do with it. Ah, here you go, my friend.
All right.
I don't think you're gonna guess. Oh, you pulled it out.
It's half round and 5/8 sharp. Oh, that's funny.
There you are.
Ah, little skull.
It's a pirate skull.
It's a pirate skull.
You know what a pirate's favorite letter is, right?
What's that?
You're supposed to say R.
R.
And that's when I say no, it's the C.
No way.
All right, bud, what you got?
Well, we got a Denver magazine. Come apart. There. And we're gonna do this. Oh, we got a willing subject. I don't know you this one.
No, that is Jonesy.
Jonesy. Jonesy. Jonesy. Hi, buddy.
He's hanging out with us for the night.
Yeah, just for the night?
Yeah.
Well, okay. You might become a regular. All right, let's see. Okay, it's sort of sharp. If you tease it along like that.
You aren't cutting it.
All right. And guess what? Yesterday, about, I don't know, 1 o'clock, did a short video on a sharp knife. Right now, it's sitting at over 10,000 views. I'm not joking.
That is crazy.
Yeah, so we just did this.
Okay.
All right, 90-degree corners. There's one, there's one. 90-degree corners. I'll hold still. You see that 90-degree corner right there. There's another one over there right there. Okay, and I'll show you something else cool about the 90-degree corners a little bit. So match the bevel about like that. All right. And then slide along the blade like this. Looks like this on your side, on the corner of the sharpener. Just like that. So I'm just going to set it down and work at it light from the handle towards the tip of the blade. Just like that. Turn it over. Do this.
That actually could be a really handy little blade.
Oh, it really, it really could be. It's a little too bulky for in the pocket. It'd be like having a walnut in your pocket, So anyway, let's see.
I could go places with that, but I won't.
Yeah, we could.
Okay.
Oh my.
Comment below, please help us.
So let's see. We need just a little bit more because it should be more like this. But
That's nice at the bottom, and yeah, I see.
I'm having to work just a little too hard for it, so let's just do it a little bit more like this. I'm going to flatten it out a little bit more because it was actually ground a little bit steep. It was probably 16, 18 degrees on each side.
That's cold.
Hurry up and do that, and we'll do this right here. And I'm going to press a little bit harder because I want to rip a little bit of metal off of it. Just like that, but we're not, you notice it's not really tearing up the blade. Just like that. And then tip it over like this. So if I want to, I run it through the V. Like that. And it's a little bit soft metal. So it'll cut fast, it'll dull fast. But it won't bell fast. That's an Ireland thing, So, just like that. Just like that. I actually have a friend that's going for 15 days, leaving the end of this month for Ireland. And I kind of wish I was going with her. She's a nice gal. And I think she'd be fun to travel with. And I've not seen Ireland, but I'd like to go to Ireland. Okay, for some reason it's pushing the paper that way. Okay, that's a lot better.
Yeah.
A lot better. Okay, we still need to do, I'll hurry up here. Be a little more serious, just like that. Don't press too hard on it. If I was to sit around and do this for say 6-7 minutes, I would really thin that blade out and make it much, much, much sharper. It's just a little hard to work with. Not too bad, but a little.
Most pirates are.
Say what?
Most pirates are hard to work with.
Yes, most pirates are hard to work with. Just like that. Alright. Now let's just flip it every pass, polish the blade, and let's see what we got now. Oh, it's coming around. And actually, for all intents and purposes, if it'll stick, grab, not slide, take the fingernail off that easy. I wouldn't make any of my knives. Oh geez, that just like bites. Okay, I wouldn't make my knives any sharper than that unless it was a contest, and here's why. If you make a knife too much like a razor blade and you cut anything that's a little bit hard, it's just going to flatten that blade because it's so incredibly thin. If it just goes right through the paper like that, it won't have any strength on the blade. And I don't care what it's made out of. It's too sharp. And no, I'm not just saying that because I don't want to sharpen it anymore. But for a work knife, that would be plenty sharp because you're going to be cutting slightly hard things with it. Even boxes, paper string tape, boxes, the glue in the cardboard, I think is really, really hard on a cutting edge. But I am a little persistent, so I'm just going to whip onto it a little bit more like this. I'm going to put a little more pressure on it, try to cut the blade just a little bit more quicker, just like that, and like this.
You are the quickest knife sharpener guy I know.
Just like that, like that. All right, now let's flip it every pass, polish the blade a little bit. And maybe I wasn't polishing the blade. You should do this about 30 times, 15 on each side. And just make sure that you really take that wire edge off the blade because the wire edge will not go through that paper like just the blade sharp. So let's feel, well, it's still over there. Now it's over here. Now let's see. Okay, I think this is going to be very noticeably different. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
When I get in a little too much hurry and not take the wire edge off the blade, it does make a difference. And yes, it does with no more pressure than this. Grab, stick, and take your fingernail off. So this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. We got the small, the Sharpen Spark Mini. Okay, and oh, there was that was a hot one. That burns about 4,200 degrees. Don't get it on your skin, don't get it on your feet. I do shows in Hawaii and I wear flip-flops, and I tell you what, once in a while I get one of those sparks on top of my feet, and it'll make you say, oh darn. Anyway, this is this is the one we call the long handle, and on this side it has my name, Brad Buckner, 425-444-7505, my cell phone number. Call me if you want to say hi, and yes, there's a guy out there that I've got to call because I've just been forgetting. I'm one of the busiest people you will ever know, I swear to God, and I'm going back to Hawaii the 29th of this month through the 11th of October, okay? And my last trip to Hawaii was not all that pleasurable. Just little stuff kept going on. My hotel got canceled the day after I made the reservation. I never could get a hold of the booking agent. So it cost me quite a bit more money because I got there, and the day I got there I had to find a hotel. That's not, you know, the day you're in Hawaii isn't when you go looking for a hotel. So anyway, the long handle sharpener is coming back. It's going to be made in black. It's made in North Carolina, USA. And they're going to be $25. I need to recoup the $7,000 that it's cost to put this project together. It's taken probably now over a year to really actually get. So I'm thinking like next week.
Don't say too much yet. We got to lead in with some other videos first. So that's a teaser.
Right. Teaser. So anyway, we'll have them coming. This is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. You take care, and we'll see you later.